park near my house. I'm coming over here to check out the campground, the RV grounds for my parents when they come. And all the fall colors are in, and I thought it was really pretty. So I thought I would share it with you guys. This is called Clifty Falls State Park. It is in Madison, Indiana, which is very close to my house. I am in Kentucky, but I'm on the border of Indiana and Kentucky. I'm not sure exactly where the campground is, but I'm just kind of following some signs. And every once in a while, throughout the park, they have these things called lookouts. And you go, and they usually face a waterfall. But right now, there's not any waterfalls falling. The spring is a really good time to come here. And they have awesome trails here. Most of them have steps, so you're not hobbling down a hill and lose your footing. Although I lost my footing. I really messed up my knee one time over here. So yeah, I'm just taking a little break from arting. I'm letting a couple pieces cure. So I thought I'd take a ride over here, check out this campground for my parents, and take you on a little ride. Whoops. There's a long way down over there. There's a car coming behind me. Pull off here because I don't like when cars are behind me. I don't know why. But see, this is how they have their trails. They have steps going down so you don't take a tumble down the hill. So, super cool. There's not much in the reds, in the fall colors here in Kentucky for some reason. I mean, there's some. It's more orange. But we don't get the bright reds like you do in Michigan, northern Michigan. So, it's a very nice state park. Everything's really clearly marked. If I was a hiker, I would be here like every day because it's beautiful. Always wanted to bring the bicycles here and ride the bicycles, but haven't. windows because I'm sure the noise is aggravating. Ooh, it's getting a little foggy down this hill. So yeah, if you're ever looking for a state park, this is a really, really beautiful one. They said there's like, I think there's 11 waterfalls here. However, I've only been on a hike here twice. I've only seen, oopsie. The campground. Oh, apparently they have a pool here in the Clifty Inn. So even if you're not camping, they have apparently an inn. I guess is a country way of saying a hotel. Rustic way. I guess an inn would be kind of rustic-y, huh? Alright, I will, if I see something else exciting, I'll bring it back and show you. There you are. Busted. I can't really clean my bed sheet. Bedspread is. Anyway, guys, I decided that I'm keeping her. I'm not selling it. I'm keeping her, and she's in here. She's got just enough Papa Red that she can stay in here. I still love it. You can see the, oh, you can see the faint little tiger stripes in the white. Oh, yep, love her. So I'm keeping her. But if you want that, you can have that. Luna, you're the worst. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Or are you rotten? You're my little rotten Rottweiler, aren't you? Yeah. Alright, guys. Just wanted to show you. I'm keeping it. These are my paintings I did with my mom and my two aunts. We all did the same painting. And I kept them all. So yeah, all the paintings in here. Are All homemade. My aunt made that flower arrangement for me, my Aunt Tony. The only thing that's not is Doug and I in our, oh, heavens, our wedding photo. Look how young we were. Holy crap. Alright, so that's it. Say goodbye, Luna. Say goodbye, Luna. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. She's so codependent. Watch. Just a little drive home from my doctor's appointment. This is my favorite part of this road. So I thought I'd share it with you. I love it. It doesn't let. Oop, stay in the middle of the road, Lisa. Roads are so skinny. So yeah, I love that little part where the trees just cover the road. I think it should be like the whole road should be like that. So it's very quiet here in Kentucky, but and it takes forever to get anywhere. But it's so pretty. Just the driving. And for somebody who hates driving, it helps a little bit for the scenery. River's over that way. Alright. That's just a little road treat for you. Hello. You haven't been up or outside all day. I know. You're being lazy. Ugh. Life is rough, huh? Is life rough, baby girl? Huh? Goodness sakes. Are you ready to get up? You're pitiful. It's okay, Mom. I don't feel good either. Let's get up. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on, princess. Oh, there you go. You're doing it. You're doing it. Good job. All right. Let's go, Missy. Don't lay back down. And she's down. Oh. I know you're there just because you're hiding your face. I know. No, it's time. You have to get up. You're lazy bones, Jones. No, you're not pulling the covers back over your face. Go away. You're pitiful. Just... I still see you. I still see you. I know. I still see you. No. Not my pillow, Missy. I draw the line with my pillow. You gotta get up. You have to get up. It's time. I know. You gotta get up. It's time. Oh. I'm gonna send the pain in the butt up there for you. Oh. I know. Lunabug. Tell Bobo it's time. Oh. Tell her. No, Bo, come on. Quit being grumpy. Quit being grumpy. Luna wants you to go outside and play. You're so lazy. You even fight lazy. I can't even move. Ugh. Alright, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Let's go. Go on. Oh, good. Relax. Good girl, Bobo. Let's go outside.